Hey guys, I'm doing another fireworks stats video because my friend Minecraft Creeper 007 wanted me to, so here it goes. But I will be going fireworks shopping again, so don't think this is all I'm getting. So first, 100 shot magical shot barrage. Got 3 of those. Whistling Dixie and Piccolo Pete. Got a whole bunch of sparklers. Some Roman candles. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 of those. Got some firecrackers, smoke bombs, single day parachutes. Got some punks, a whole bunch of bottle rockets, and 1, 2, 3, 4 Saturn missiles, 25 shot each. So that's it, but I'm going fireworks shopping again, so bye.